What is that? Does the iPhone 17 see things the naked eye doesn't? Stay tuned. Maybe we're being invaded by aliens? Okay, let's calm down before calling the FBI. Duke's is a popular spot at the entrance of Huntington Beach Pier. Let's place an order and test the camera before we eat. Look how crisp the lens shows people on the pier. I'm especially curious about the zoom feature I've heard so much about. Check out those waves, so close even from here. And that ship, you can almost see the people on board. Even the lifeguard stand sign, you can almost read the words. Let's grab food and test some more after. Coconut shrimp, one of my favorites. And this drink, more like a shake than a mocktail. Crispy, crunchy, perfect. Thank you for the meal. Now let's zoom in on the crowd. Live music, dancers. Looks great, but something feels off. Not the girls, the camera. Do you see it? Oh no, the lens cover closed when I got up from the table. This iPhone case is great for protecting the camera lens. No UFOs, no glitches, just user error. All right, let's walk to the end of the pier. So what do you think of the new iPhone 17 Pro Max test? Do you have yours already? The camera is perfect. The user needs more practice. See you on the next trip.